Greetings YouTube, Big Silver Bear coming back at you with an unboxing video. Just wanted to show off a couple of packages that I got in the mail today, and we're going to open these right in front of you here, okay? Been looking forward to receiving this. Get the sensitive stuff out of the way. Very well packaged, gotta like that. A little attention to detail. Ah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, isn't that sweet? It's a Cook Islands $5 wildlife conservation Prism polar bear. Very, very cool eBay score. See if I can bring that in so you can get a little bit better look at it. That is very, very cool. I like that a lot. Alright, and it comes with a certificate of authenticity and another certificate of some sort too. Very, very cool. Very pleased with that. Next, I have another package here from Golden Eagle Coins. And I've dealt with Golden Eagle Coins on eBay many a times and never had a disappointment. And I love buying stuff from them. They have a lot of good sales. I put them on my Save Sellers searches here on eBay, and I check every now and then just to see what they got on sale. And let's see what we got here. Alright, let me discard that. Get rid of the sensitive information there. I love these kind of bubble packages that are like an envelope that you can reuse again. And of course they're bears, and they're in capsules too. That's not normal that they come in capsules, but I'm very pleased. They're both 2011 Canadian 1-ounce grizzly silver bears. They were $20.45 a piece, so being somebody that loves to collect silver bears, I had to pick up a couple of them for that cheap. I already had some, but just for poops and giggles, I had to pick up a little bit more. Well, there's 1, 2, and this is, I think, like a 23 ounce or a 23 gram coin. But how spectacular is that? The prism effect, and it's the first coin of its kind I've ever owned before. Very, very cool. Well, YouTube, that's about all I got for today. I hope